Most players don't lose in the endgame. They don't lose in the middle game either. They lose in the first 10 moves, before the game even begins. This is every opening mistake that's costing you games. Moving the queen early, the most common opening mistake at every level below 1000. The queen comes out on move 2. It looks aggressive. It feels powerful. Then the opponent develops a piece and attacks the queen. The queen runs. They develop another piece and attack the queen again. The queen runs again. By move 8, your opponent has 4 pieces developed. You have 1, the queen, and it's been chased across the board, doing nothing. The queen is your most powerful piece. That's exactly why you protect it, not expose it. Bring it out when the position calls for it, not before. Moving the same piece twice. Every move in the opening should develop a new piece. Moving the same piece twice means your opponent gets a free turn. 1 tempo lost is 1 piece behind in development. 2 tempos lost, and you're already in a worse position before anything has happened. The rule, in the opening, touch every piece once and move it to its best square. The only exception is when you're winning material or responding to an immediate threat. Moving the same piece twice to improve its position is rarely worth the tempo you lose doing it. Ignoring the center, the 4 central squares, a4, a5, d4, d5, control everything. Pieces in the center reach more of the board. Attacks from the center hit harder. Defense from the center covers more ground. A player who controls the center dictates where the game is played. A player who ignores it spends the whole game reacting. The most common version, developing both knights to the edge of the board on move 1 and 2. Knights on a3 and h3 control exactly 4 squares between them. Knights on c3 and f3 control 16. Fight for the center in every opening. If you can't occupy it with pawns, control it with pieces. Forgetting to castle. The king in the center is the most common reason games are lost before move 15. Every open file is a highway to your king. Every piece your opponent develops is a weapon pointed at it. Castling does 2 things at once. It moves the king to safety and connects the rooks. Both of those things need to happen, and castling is the fastest way to do both. The mistake isn't just failing to castle. It's making 3 or 4 unnecessary moves first, and then not having time to castle before the attack arrives. Castle early. Castle before you think you need to. By the time you think you need to, it's usually too late. Chasing pawns instead of developing. Your opponent leaves a pawn undefended. You take it. While you're busy taking pawns, they're busy developing pieces. By the time you come back with your piece, they have a full attack ready. The pawn you won is worth 1 point. The development advantage they built is worth the entire game. This is the logic behind every gambit. The player offering the pawn isn't making a mistake. They're making a trade, 1 pawn for your time. Blocking your own pieces. You develop, but in the wrong order. And now your pieces are in each other's way. The most common version, pushing the e-pawn only 1 square to e3 instead of 2. Now the bishop on c1 is permanently locked behind its own pawn. It will spend the entire game trying to find an exit that isn't there. Second version, developing the knight to d2. Before the bishop on c1 is developed, the knight blocks the bishop. The bishop can't move. The knight can't move back without losing a tempo. The order of development matters as much as the development itself. Always ask, does this move block any of my other pieces? If yes, find a different move. Early queen, same piece twice, ignoring the center. No castling, chasing pawns, blocking your own pieces. 6 mistakes. all of them fixable before move 10. Fix these, and you stop losing games before they start.